Amazing Papaya Soap for skin whitening and equivalence of two-tone skin. Along with the increasing demand for whiter skin, many companies manufacture skin whitening products which include skin lightening soaps that are guaranteed for glowing skin. The question now is, what type of skin whitening soap is suitable for your skin? The truth is that there are many types of skin lightening soaps available in the market that advises for the positive results but left many side effects on your skin. But I have a solution to your problem. You can easily make this papaya soap for skin whitening by following these steps. Ingredients: soap wax any ½ cup, papaya pulp ½ cup, sandalwood powder 1 tablespoon, palm oil ½ teaspoon. Procedure: firstly, take a clean saucepan. Now, take a ½ cup of any soap wax chunks and add them to the pan. Then, place the pan on the stove and turn on the flame. Later, let the soap chunks melt and consistently stir the mixture with the help of a stirrer. Then, take a fresh papaya and separate its pulp with a stirrer. Now, add a ½ cup of papaya pulp into the pan. After that, stir the mixture well. Now, add 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder into the pan. Then, stir the mixture well until it starts to boil. Now, add ½ tablespoon of palm oil in it after a few minutes. Later, again mix the ingredients well and turn off the flame of the stove. Finally, the mixture is ready to make soap. How to use: firstly, take this mixture when it is hot. Then, catch a mold of any shape and put the liquid into this mold. Now, let it set for a few hours. Finally, use the soap for the cleansing of the skin. You must try this papaya soap for skin whitening and cleansing.